Thank you.
Hey guys, we are gorilla racing! Gorilla racing at the Jungle Game.
That way you won't find yourself stranded up the river without a paddle.
Who's gonna be the first one to race the gorillas? Alright, we're gorilla racing! Gorilla racing right here at the Jungle Game. Who's gonna be the very first racer? Time for fun. Who's ready to go? Everybody wins at the Gorilla Game. And every player gets the prize right here, right now. So let's do it. Let's race the gorillas. Let's race the gorillas.
Individuals are not allowed to take your pet, which has been put up for one on survival tip. When confronted by a charging rhino, head for the nearest tree and climb fast.
Lucky, 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 lucky.
All right, number two, gorilla number two. He's in blue. He was the winner that time. And we're waiting for you. Who's next? Ask not who the bell tolls for. It tolls for thee here at the Gorilla Game.
Congratulations to our dockside crew who won their We understand it was a victory. And next week
We're ready to go. How about you?
I'm sure they'll do.
It's gorilla fun. Fun?
Lucky,
There's nobody around.
lucky, ducky, and frisbee.
Drifted to an era of faith and golden eye. Discover what you would have never seen in the first place. It's another amazing Amazonian river dance from the jungle navigation.
Car show. They didn't have enough cars to get up here. What's going on? The wind keeps catching my gorilla hat.
I like the sailor hat better.
Yeah. Well, this is for gorillas. You got to stay in theme with the jungle.
Just about over. Come on, fellas. Not only will you win a lucky, all expenses paid cruise for one on the jungle river of your choice, and one slightly used pygmy warp canoe, but you'll also now get absolutely free a full volume set of Teach Yourself Martini. Just for
Lucky, 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 ducky,
Lucky
and
Ducky,
crispy.
Plucky, Plucky, Ducky, Clucky, and Crispy. Clucky, Plucky, Lucky, Ducky. Oh gosh, you chickens. Staying with the theme. Do you know that the alligators up top there, the alligators, I know it over here, they are from Jungle Land on Hunts Pier. Back when I was a wee little jungle race operator. As are the hippos. They are from Jungle Land. And yes, they are wiggling their ears and blowing bubbles. How about the rhino? Yes, the rhino. He's from Jungle Land as well. So you gotta play the jungle game.
Lucky, 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 ducky, and crispy.
The Amazon River. 3 guests have reported minor confrontations. To minimize the chance of future injuries, butterfly repellent is strongly recommended. Attention all passengers. Attention all passengers. A rather large leopard has recently been seen in the vicinity. The animal can be identified by its razor-sharp teeth, long menacing claws, and a loud ferocious growl. If spotted, please contact the local authorities immediately. Oh dear. Never mind, we seem to have found him. Nice pussycat.
Plucky, Plucky, Lucky, Ducky, and Crispy.
And now, here are the answers to our jungle trivia questions. The correct response to a phrase charging elephant is and it takes an average of 8 minutes for a family of gorillas to destroy a typical base camp. Will the owner of a blue Jeep, license number...
Plucky, Plucky, Lucky, Ducky,
Not anymore.
and Crispy.
Will the owner please contact the office of the Minister of Transportation immediately?